My name is Arnav Mohan. I have completed my 12th from NK Bagrodia Public School with an overall aggregate of 85%. I pursued my IELTS training from GlobEDwise. It was a really nice experience. The teachers here are really nice and they are very good at the language. They help you in gaining every type of grasp in this English language. I got my IELTS score 7.5 bands and with 8.5 in reading, 7.5 in listening, and in speaking and writing I got 7 bands. I got my offer letters from BCIT and Seneca College. I chose Seneca because I got my preferred course for the preferred duration in that college. My visa was a great success. I got my visa in about in very less time, and it was really nice, and the delivery and everything was really quick because my file and everything that they handled was with very great efficiency. Also, my experience with GlobEDwise was very nice, and the counselors and everyone here is very good to me. Was very good to me, and they are really excellent at their field of work. I would suggest you to at least try GlobEDwise once if you are thinking about studying overseas or abroad. Because the services they provide here, I don't think so that anyone else can provide the same. Thank you, GlobEDwise. Thank you so much. And here's my visa. I just got it.
नमस्कार। ग्लोब वाइज में मैं अपने सन अर्नव मोहन के एडमिशन के लिए ओवरसीज एडमिशन के लिए आया था। यहाँ पे मैं जोगिंदर सर से मिला हूँ। रियली मतलब आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम बिकॉज ही इज़ अ वेरी नाइस पर्सनैलिटी। मतलब ये कहने की बात नहीं है, आप जब मिलेंगे उनसे फील करेंगे तब पता लग जाएगा। ये प्रोवाइडेड मी ऑल द पर्सनलाइज हेल्प एंड गाइडेड मी थ्रू आउट माई दिस पीरियड एंड हेल्प माई सन टू गेट एडमिशन इन सैनका कॉलेज टोरंटो। आई एम थैंकफुल टू देम।